What you're dancing.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Alcoma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Akropon Kapim. Alcoma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
No me and Samba Mama Kumiensa Akumai had your crew and so much Pobako Danu Eliaka said Media Miwonyame Media Miwonyame. As for me, I have a God. Akumai Yawonyame. And then I adore for Nana, and then I'm a Tommy Bo, Nama Church Valentine Nimuno. Aha, never say quotation a piece so John 3:16 one and May Valentine no and you free and you bet dear and you bet Jessica yay star 787 hash you bet Jessica and you bet to adon my sweetie my lovey my honey, ya didn't say. And a vast day, Aquaba driver. Kirby, you will go fiance on Buffalo, executive director at Majumadi, DJ CKB, Mabetta Sinfidian in Nasa, a Bob and Kum, and a Bonifa, a Bofako, Munini Nabana, Zikibi, Aquani Nyansa. DJ Donzi and our duty from Bono de Pay. Oh, Grate. We are mobile. Show ya so. You need a telephone now. Crack, young Fankogu. You are doing now. You trust that amount. We need to come here in the Dako. Meta the phone I'm saying. D-boy. Rest to the power one. Teacher for, carpenter for, mason for, lawyers. Yamama mo nenda mase sabre dia mo podwuma moba akuafo nyina ka ho ye nyina ya mamo akwa bo
welcome with the Lord akwa on la rive welcome with the Lord Aquaba on Arrive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Akropon Kapim. Alcoma Radio 97.1.
Yeah. T. On him, I travel Nasi. Jiwini ma bibian how. Minime Chodrase, Shampabuana, Buibian cow. Jai Super Pawiniase, Emma Biasia, dream foul. Branda Bijam, Quine, and one Casaman crowd. I've been on my dream watch it. My dream watch it. Near what Penema said, minimal crowd was a machine, yeah. Casem Debugumasum, that will be a young corpe. A penam ponsan, Tuntumbro near who offense, and who did pequa, or betia branch Jaisum. Pepper when you moon is so, and I'm a young from so crack, kind who, so what I'm a warm outdoors, so my common in table papa move. Family was sunny for so matana via siache, the time who, or do. Midday, or pepper, my panel did do.
We are blessed.
So me profis I want to go. And the other guy said, me hon sensem. I told them be a baby of them. We don't be a say I'm moving tete and tem. So don't buy it dinner come. Yeah, you are always on my mind. And forever in my heart.
On my radio, 97.1.
Forever in my heart.
And TK Profuano, I would only be Kutane Daima. Yaba Wabofra, actually didn't cheer wa diner. I was in a jow. It's a son of Mumu and Krana. We need me for saying me. Yadone Yantona China. Yadia Mijao, Menja Joe Kokosuko Jaws of Brandy. And Rami who were and become a team, Yadia Penny. I drink you to swap, Swaboko, Fabigumi Quenchi. Yabo Chair, and Meshabaka, and Simbi saying a Tessie. Mindy out, and I'm who in the Swan, I made Tete. For when you took for me down, we need Beji and I'm a sheshe. Oh, your hema, Sada, what made you be Chiavan sign? I've been on a brema, send me a cocos of brema quine.
Midday, or pepper, my panel did do. But my wedding in a minio before for home, so me profis I want to go. And the other guy said, me hon sensem. I told them be a baby of them. We don't be a say I'm moving tete and tem. So don't buy it dinner.
On my radio.
Yeah, you are always on my mind. And forever in my heart. Midday, you are always on my mind. And forever in my heart. But don't you see where you see? My candy pepe. Intia my sign, when you be and pray, we don't be as age, my cool man, you will pray. Guys, I won't see any messy man in a pop. I wish one day you will become my wife. For life.
On my radio.
I wish one day you will become my wife. For life.
An exclusive from UrbanRoad.com.
I've been searching on my life.
We are blessed.
I've been looking for the love that I never found. You came along in
Okuma Radio.
Oh boy, you're so funny. No more money, I'm your honey.
FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Telling me you're sorry, baby. Yeah, baby, I'm hearing you. It's the same old story. Telling me you're sorry. Oh, the same old story. Over and over and over and over again.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Hurt me. You betrayed my trust. I trusted you, boy. You broke my heart. Yeah. Oh, baby boy. Yeah. You lied to me. Oh, boy.
What else?
We are blazing. Okuma Radio.
Yeah. Emra Michelle when I come for Ghana. Minkra handkerchief, my button so I me use one kama. My shito go jeans, and then me fake bandana. When I get friend of what the kind of casa. Battle smiley with your pretty face. Let me live in, boy, you're grown to me, but you will fake it. Be all I want, best I cause who go home, whom baby be say. Finally, you are mine, I think it's time to celebrate. Pop the Hennessy, now you're too champagne.
Okuma Radio.
Promise me that you will maintain, so forget those losers. Kaisa me no would only inseparable. How many times do you want me to speak in parables? Tell me, baby, are you feeling me? Cause I'm feeling you, I swear your love is killing me. Yes, it's killing me. And I'm wishing we stay until the end. Cause so mommy, dear, oh mommy, oh papa, oh chenny. Me to maintain what call my dante sweetie penny. Send me pin, I'm in my hour, don't miss her with shedding. Say bonnie pin on my yard, Jim, my name missing. Cause so mommy, dear, oh mommy, oh papa, oh chenny. Me to maintain what call my dante sweetie penny. Send me pin, I'm in my hour, don't miss her with shedding. Say bonnie pin on my yard, Jim, my name missing. Don't me overload.
I can't deny, boy. When I met you, I wasn't doubt, boy. Would you take me as I am? Not many shit, not many that said yeah, but you were always there for me. Said our love will always be. Oh, hear more, I need you more.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
No, I need you. Without you, there's no point living. Show me meaning of true love. Still, I just can't get enough. Through the thick, yeah, through the thin, yeah. Baby, our love will always be. Got me overload. Got me overload.
Cause so mommy, dear, mommy, oh papa, oh chenny. Me to maintain what call my dante sweetie penny. Say me pin, I'm in my hour, don't miss her with shedding. Say bonnie pin on my yard, Jim, my name missing. Cause so mommy, dear, mommy, oh papa, oh chenny. Me to maintain what call my dante sweetie penny. Say me pin, I'm in my hour, don't miss her with shedding. Say bonnie pin on my yard, Jim, my name missing. Don't me overload.
Okuma Radio.
Pretty be pump it.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
What came up with my back? About Syria, the simple will be able to find. About Penny, the super today. Siviasi Quay, ya, no back, continue with today. When I'm dachi, the two say class a bunch. Maybe I would tell them it wrong when you must have minute to be penachi. We've been teaching what Rasso, and I'm the guy to Crasso. The crack of Wibusia, the Yakona Mamma Crasso, the Garagaba. say me nyawa. We are to grab for me. But not a dream of one. Yanko on that me. About what you know who is sick than so was sans so me. As I begin to hook up a promise.
My own. That time of the chase, I'm them no money they owe. My own. See my hot pakoshito and they grind for my kente. My own. Like the air and the feeling for everywhere they go. My
own. Radio.
See money baby come chop on for me.
Always and every day, I've got this message for you, my baby. Me, I no go left you any day. Nothing from the and go, my baby. My come mama sita, you sweet. White type prospect me la chica bonita. They come me try one and two nigga. Why they me na bana baby me sick now? My whole life they you're there. Watch them other girl, got the whole of them away.
Radio.
Me I know they care.
My radio, 97.1.
My own. That time of the chase, I'm them no money they go. My own. See my hot pakoshito and they grind for my kenge. My own. Like the air and the feeling for everywhere they go.
My radio.
My own. See the money, baby, come chop on for me.
This is another DC Lakers exclusive.
My radio, 97.1.
It's on the sun, it's a camera footage, I know you're risky. Listen, would you smile, serious. Open your what's a minute, no chilly. We baby in the brody, golden tree chocolate, yeah. Me chatoli, yeah. Each and every day, me a baby. My own. That time of the chase, I'm there no money they. My own. See my hot pakoshito and they grind for my kente. My own. Like the air and the feeling for everywhere they go. My own. See the money baby come chop on for me.
Download exclusive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. And the next 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. My radio, 97.1. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Alcohol Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Cherry my phone. You are the one that I truly love. I know you came from up above. Sorry, love, I can't lose you now. See, you are the one that I truly love. I know you came from up above. Sorry, love, I can't lose you now. Oh, oh, oh. I want to send my food, yeah. I know it's money for check.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
I want to send my food, yeah. This rap on it for check. And I'm young, come, I'm young, never go since I got it. Oh, 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 me found show from me for the cherry. Now I am more,
station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special.
I need this when I'm falling. Tell me more, slow down. Babe, come closer. I could show you love or do. Na, yeah. Tell me more, slow down. Babe, come closer. I could show you love or do. Na, yeah. Tell me more, what do you want? I'm not you waiting anywhere. Tell me more, what do you want? I'm not you waiting anywhere. Tell me more, what do you want? I'm not you waiting. I could show you love or do.
You don't catch me, or the police at me. Me man no bribe, I want you, see what you lodge me. Or don't you let me know to Safwan and Jenny. Members I will be a better I know my love. Hold me close to you. Son of my son, you are the minimum of the me. Baby, make me your favorite person. I don't know my teacher, my dancing. Yeah. Baby, I'm not true, dear, me no over come on. Yantin Fifre.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Baby, I'm not true, dear, man. I'm coming, so me. I adore you. I'm not true, dear, I go show you love. Make sure we take it time, baby. Yeah.
So me more, what do you? I'm not you waiting. So me more, what do you? I'm not you waiting. I go show you love,
Okuma Radio.
Come and see me swiping photos of you. Hold on, not me. I need a tattoo with your name on it. Metro D Kwame. You're a tough girl, but see the way I make timid. Poko me do it, to me mu Ejena wo peki babo tofe. My falling on casa, Jeno Bian Pata. Se ujami ya miwu, ba mesaya baba.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Mommy, got injury.
Akuma Radio 97.1.
Many my share on Pearl. Many Gino, you feel me now, about injury. Oh, don't many my share on Pearl. Many my share on Pearl. Many Gino, you feel me now, about injury, about me. Ye wombaya Nami yem shishimi seo biba Sisemre etiena wedi Efusemi yo biba So mi muti seko siana Men free wun se mambo Nase wuntumia Jami maminko Efusemi yo biba So mi muti seko siana Men free wun se mambo Nase wuntumia Jami maminko Da get da, cause someone may catch you.
Akuma Radio 97.1.
Da, cause someone may catch you. Oh, da.
Akuma Radio. Just with your man Kenya. Akuma Radio 97.1.
Obey me, bye.
Akuma Radio.
Die. Oko, where to Nikako? Oko. All day I go Michelle Bagun Ramiko Yaminko me do all day I go Michelle Koto Ramiko Yaminko Sissy Yamitiamo Wamechu Mitapa the guy say my a prisoner of time. All the scenes you went away. Every single job in Hokoi. Every trying it slowly. Since I touched it in until. Oh, all the scenes you went away. Every single job in Hokoi. Every trying it slowly. Since I touched it in until. Hey, I'm say I grew dead. Baby, I was like a suit. I so empty. Said
Akuma Radio
97.1. I cannot breathe, can't find nobody to hold. Cause I remember the things that you do and the way that you take care of me, baby. Oh, you are my love. Well then take me away from the anger and the apathy. Look into my eyes and show me some sympathy. You and I can never depart now. Woman, you know me love you from the depth of my heart. Now that you gone away, tell me who'll be there. Who'll be there? Who'll get from me? Every hour,
rocking. Oh yeah, blazing.
I see your eyes shine like forever, and your smile like a Christmas morning.
Akropon Kapim. On Kuma Radio 97.1.
My one and only Ifnanya, baby, be dream, yeah.
My dreams of you swept the night away until all that existed was the magic of the star. No other love can make me feel this way, honey. Only your love can light my world from afar.
See, I belong to you, my love,
and I belong to you, my heart.
Managing in anymore, managing in anymore.
97.1 FM is rocking. Oh yeah, blazing. Oh yeah, blazing.
Well, I tried to find the perfect words to explain my love for you, but I only hope that I can show in everything I do.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Akuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Akuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Akropon Kapim. Akuma Radio 97.1.
Here we go. I see I don't go be percent on the miko. Kodimi siko. Yeah. Yeah. So my business so I'm on the set. Minini kodia Metiniko. But she say why me? Now made yourself obey your friendly. Take me on a date so you could know me.
And you when you cocoa say, when you ponsam, where you quaw. Sechi and Kasanka Ziki Fatwa. Ziki Wadaroma Fatwa. Now born free one more. Happy Chocolate Day to all Ghanaians, home and diaspora. What? And you want at the Papa boy. Namame Mausika. Sika. Seba. The star 787 hash. Star 787 hash. na wa mia ne sa wo mia ne sa papa
My dear Papa, never told me to
number 1 step number 1 no step 1 dial 787 hash our phone no so now step 2 no tie step 2 no mene one ka metro step 2 also choose option 1 to enter the draw and option 1 ba na wafa na wafa option 1 no now you call step number 3 have a number of tickets you want to buy and preduduo biara opese wutwa lotto ni bi no opese wutwa bet ni bi no opese wutwa bi no na ba wuram na ye 5 Ghana cedi see 5 cedis ana ye didi aguro yi 5 Ghana cedi empress na betumi edisa aguro yi empreduduo bia betumi atwa na emprahim empreduduo bia as many times as you want. Step number 4 pay for the ticket. Ticket now who try no tia ubetua no 5 Ghana cedi and what me you draw no bi. So who is eligible to participate in star 787 hash? Why never to me edis agro ibi why never to me atwa bie see one bet me atwa bie no nie answer no 18 years and above. Efiti enfie dun watwe ede kro no enfie dun watwe wo nim na obeka enfie aduo watwe waso ba ya hye enfie dun watwe one time enfie dun watwe and afei number 2 no must have a registered mobile money account. One more bet me dia growing in a church must have a registered mobile money account. There's a mobile money account. Must be the bearer of the registered person of the mobile money account. And a phone one dia as me bra bi dia my sister bi na okwa fuom and a feni nsu ekohwegu ye and am kofa phone there bi anya wo dia. And the phone na wo di agro no phone na be twa loto no phone na be dial no wankasa nkasa wo dia. Also, where can I find the terms and conditions to play? Baby, you bet me who know. I overcome a one website, and I yen WhatsApp to Obeba Honomo website to Obeba Honomo. And star 787 hash. Stay with me star 787 hash website www.787winners.com www.787winners.com na jackpot no 7,700,000 Ghana cedi and can 7 billion and then there's 700,000 and the jackpot kakana daso no na no pa bia no ye draw and the bia no ye draws mienu anopa de baako and anwumre baako bia no 10,000 Ghana cedis 10,000 Ghana cedis early bird no 10,000 and anwumre de so ye 10,000 Aje you be disiko everybody abobo no memenda they have 2 draws. This Saturday we have 2 draws. Memenda draws me no neighbor early bird near 10,000 and then you read and at the end so no and it's 10,000 sweet thing should steez me like no I need to so sir Oda star 787 hasha. If you promise you never, why enter
stay with me.
Now, option number 1, no.
Baby, yeah.
What you should now say? What to take a do be now the phone net to yaka.
The money me.
One of it me this agro be. What be a what if you do what at the aircraft? Phone now ground one kasa what dia. I feel so you register. Yeah, sikanie. No one say and no num papa won sima makomako num yemisa okosa na utwa yencha 100 Ghana cedi nipa makomako miensa 18 years and above yencha 100 Ghana cedi na fakodi Valentine Thursday na abedwa enti ye boa fa phone sabre ya so procedure ni nyina star 787 hash star 788 hash star 787 hash star 787 hash. What are number 2, no, choose your option. Option here, baby, I do back call. No, what to ticket no. Ticket in present about to me at no. And produce bia. Now what your mobile phone no so. Now when you 10,000, I don't put 2 and 10,000 and you mre. And I feel jackpot on Nankasano. 7 billion 700,000 newly accepted golden choppable Ghana cedis. Aye. Now Jumakon can say no. Your agent, Wama or your name be Jumay. Your agent, Wama name be Jumay. You must your agent here. Edema star 787 hasha. And it's our friend 0559 0559. That number is for team papa 0559 689 948.
Stay with me
0559 689 948.
You got to
Ubedi sika. And no number pounds mama kumakunumu. First 3 callers. Mubechano. Yeah, mama Vaze money. 100 Ghana cedis. 100 yo. Happy Valentine to you. Happy Valentine to you. Over chocolate. Happy Valentine. DJ Zikipi wasi wa mana yire ene busafo nyina happy chocolate day oda St. Luke Methodist Abrante na okasa no denchia ye wura safumafo ene busuani nyina woda senior minister Yangura kwa msefa kai michiao Ernest B. Smith Antia Staba Sumichiao Dr. Surgeon and Dr. Manfred Musumichiamo After the King's Prayer Fellowship for what if we do it I'm happy chocolate day come on
so my fitness so I'm money on the set meaning way
that's right Ziki why you now star 787 hash is the way to go. Happy birthday to you, Abraham Mama. Afe Mama Castro. As of my minimum, happy birthday, Komamo. As of Kwesire. Very reverend and one matter for very reverend. It's a very reverend evangelist Dr. Bofe. No can for.
Achichidia what the boko never call.
Papa Grow ni church members ni nyina. Thursday momensu.
Anona yembam pesi kakrebi na yendi.
Borishemfo happy birthday nkomamo. Koko asefo.
Wana me jimi abete jeje me so na wodi mu se wonko ana mepe. Chance ye pe wa chenyenne. Buya makuma muhimme.
Architecture ba ko pe aki. Happy birthday to you. Isabre come be cambrofo. Eneye birthday. Have to speak English on the radio. Please, thank you very much for tuning into Akuma Radio 97.1. Today we are doing a great promotion by our standards. And tonight we will be giving away 3 people money.
What else?
So today you have to date your destiny. As I said, I don't get a pay. Yao Sebe Amakoma in fear. I say, good evening, bro. You are making our day. Hey, our day, they make a public school near our day, papa. Our day, Mekai.
That shit. I'm from my chain, not I will live when I say. They say, what the bra was it? New Ramate. Would they move yet? And come with the hunting in Pemba, yes, in the home say. The 2 men here, me who wanna pet, me home bar peace, so one on me send a pet. Baby, you know that you the one. Hold on for me, I chill me once I have my time. My toilet Cinderella, now I told me Peter Pan. Yeah, when you had the crime, me, you would do more for Rijan. Sicilia, when here. Efatao, Usha mena fosi been a shame and I mean bow. It is an what I see, I'm into me how, or not for one crowd. They do Kuromu, Suomu, Akona. Ma bene jama homa ma ye mobo June July so ke see binyanka beto when you tia ni nyina no we jama hoko ti wuji di seme tumi ate na ho edi suja akopem da beni e ma bena se wa fe me asode e kopem to masini bi na yempie Don't when you are my now kumbo
See, what does the Bible say about Father's Day and a Valentine's Day? No. What kind of praise? The Bible doesn't have any specific message about the day, but it does have a lot to say about the subject love. What do you say? So, John 3:16. Love Valentine's Day says what do you say? And they be nimusa, and they are no cre ebi nimusa, and then don't the person what no. Nemo say ye kase quotation fa odo ho Bible mu de, and the Bible na kasa cry odo. And the Bible says, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believe in him should not perish but have everlasting life. See, for God so loved the world that he gave, and don't just say ne anumre fakoma keke. Hey, we just gave no so, and then I don't see any joke. What I say? It's your daddy, yeah, not a year. How? Daddy, yeah, not a year. What does the Valentine Day means? Valentine's Day is a holiday when lovers express their affections with greetings and gifts. Greetings and gifts. Aha! Etienne, what do you say? Greetings and gifts. Na Mira Kofi, Bra Kofi, your friend Bra Kofi Yehowa. What the cocoa say? What no yere? Mama Kakra, mon dear. And I feel Odokala. I feel Mankasa me sweet Mongomiango, Auntie Vic. At the end of the mature drama. I feel Mammy Atakuya. I feel it's a comment. I say it's a holiday when lovers express their affection and greetings and gifts. The next year, you don't qua. Now, me say me be surprise them all.
Me you, me my dear. Marami brony. Hey, sir. When's the pipe organ? Me, bro, yeah. Bro.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
June, July, so okay, see it in Yankabeto. When you tea and in Yana, which I'm a hawker. See, would you disseminate to me at the now?
I wouldn't say, the Valentine, no.
Marvin, I
say, Ununya for be a friend, Saint Valentine, on one day. When you are my now, Ononya for was Valentine Wooding, a Roman Emperor, Claudius, the second, 3rd century, and Oma Valentine, Dino, the papa, a Latin word which means strength. And what thing, and Janano, you had your double one day, papa, 1969. Beach Roman Catholic, Penny Beach door. Nanumu ene oda na di kire ye no ama ababe juwia sinyina ye no bi say Valentine no wia sine ma na ina yo wia si o ina yo etu wie na se don ja na mbo ina wo wie na o pictures ahwe ya o za kwa na ni abre wato flowers papa bi na re kwa chane dofo no ezi say wiase fo kwa ni timi kire odo eto flowers mama dofo no ne ade a enen yenye biribi na Valentine mu be ya den e wo ye Pope Glacius ne breso ani ya 5th century Pope Glacius ne breso no o ma Valentine die ne be ye nkrofo de papa esan se wono kasa ana di criticism no ade ba ye the 14th February bia no yenis yenche sa afan enfanche adofo no anu nyam na didi mu se before so the ade ba so mu yie ya papa otanka obi chebi lamti enka ne MPP dwomtene ni no say no Debbie say na man for birthday ni yen yi no edu ho no ma yen chocolate day je na ohwa Ghana nyina no say ene chocolate day 14th February 2023 chocolate day 2005 and papa born home and say birthday no any amount for you near man no ye near man no and some aboa and now she say any amount for children don't amount for church as no that atimi akonka papa na nieti di birthday no tetefo no na wo de hye wo mu dom eden ana face wo mu de kai wo mu etete niema edinye no fitete ni di birthday no edie na ebade a ese so mu yie ni ma ba misa na betumi di birthday no betumi ato ye tofe atade empaboa wine kama na de ache ye wodofo no obi bisa se na etwa mu so yen den etwa mu ebekọ so ache dofo mu ne masa na ma be prove o Bible mu di ama na mekana donzi adwaro Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited for some country say ene dofo na sika so didi odon ye dancing sika samini di na mu amani ajemruso na niema ni Donzi niema ni ntede bebre ka se Thursday no abosom sam ana wi asem ne se who say what now Roman for no abosom bi a friend of Venus na sa Venus no wo mo kire se in the second month bia no 14th no ese mo ya amane bi ma no and actually party ma be pum sabre masa munya dem na Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit for say Branabaji sika na factory wadwumam Fatre wadwom papa. Na ye business tycoon, na ye business mogul, na ene Thursday, na ka wototo, na ka wocheche, na ka bia basu say kufu. So person call London, Dubai, Accra, London. When you quick credit for my number, na ko find him at Tom. When you Ghana card the pet now qualify 0302 200390 0302 200390 and I feel 0596 920833. Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited. It's a happy birthday. London made simple. Blessing and Greatness Ventures. TNJ made in Ghana, quality corner mode. Plywood in Ketua Casenia Dentem. Tile, styling cement, styling chemicals. Carpenter phone mason for two Swamudi Juma. The Metro Dama Dana Jina. Senior tools, Papa. Wheelbarrow, shovel, headpan, water tanks, POP materials, electrical accessories. Ningi na obenya bi e B&G. Won butu o mantasma abotachi. Abotachi kwap me hodo mo. And the verse day, and children's service. Oh, my phone now. Happy chocolate day and a verse day at large. 024450 7310. 024450 7310. 0206 670 009. Happy birthday to all the customers and the workers. Woo! Don't you waste your no Jogum, waste ya. Other the son of Pammy. I want to train to be in Jane. And then it's Zigato Poro. Sabana Pamparampa. You know, the Zikin Samporo. Sabini Sabi Pomporo. That's the back with me. Eti Agomeda for Agomenya, Somenya, very reverend Michael Jeto Lomo. Matokbanam. Hey, Janzi, you want to come to Japan send me a message you. But I can come on here. Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies, Loma Vista IPS. E suku pon ewo eye manfie kuapem papa suku papa Omo chire SS courses ni na ho mo business, science, general art, home economics, visual art, technical, vocational, remedial classes ni omo ye ho mo Novdec. Ozo ko tre bia boko ho mo come on. Hostel ho enu achi no ba bia opese oba no ko sua de na wo tro twa ne yiye de enu anu Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies. Vacation classes no double track de no so ye makwan a omu di chinam. Kai so bada oh Jesus. Yes yeah anyumu ye do 0246 246 875 0246 246 875 Acro Farms. Happy birthday, you're Jeff. Applause. Happy birthday and the chocolate day and come on. Okuma Radio, the entire workers. Amo Obed. Obia. Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies. Or see Educate, Challenge and Inspire. Let's enjoy some music and a vast day.
I need someone to call my own. Man, I'm a guy. Now I found someone to sit on my throne.
Oh, my friend, no him, man. Listen from me, oh him. I don't be me to be honest, you.
Boy, yeah, me mau be changa me yet, yeah. Engozi said, "Po better something."
Okuma Radio.
When them near me, you know.
When them days send me, I know.
When them days send me, I know.
Me baby, I say, me better don't go. It's your evening, more, been you be ada. Me baby, I say, me better don't go. But do you wait, don't see no, yeah.
Me baby, I say, me better don't go. Say what time am I? Me know, yeah. Me baby, I say, me better don't go.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Say you love me, baby, say you love me. I'm gonna hold you down.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Say you love me, baby, say you love me. I go wear you crown if you say you want me. Some people no believe say me I go feel love you like this. So me I no believe say me I go feel fall for you so hard. Me a busy be me they I go hold you down. Surely I go hold you down like nobody. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, yeah. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Me, baby. Say you love me. Say you love me. I go hold you down if you say you want me. Bless your mommy, but call me daddy. Come spend this money if you say you want me. Some people no believe say, me I go feel love you like this. Me I no believe say, me I go feel fall for you so hard. Me a busy be me they I go hold you down. Surely I can hold you down. Love me, love me, love me, yeah. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Please won't you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Baby, won't you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby, me, baby. I just wanna show you love. Just wanna love you more. Hey, I just wanna show you love. I just wanna love you more. Hey, I just wanna show you love. I just wanna love you more. Hey, I just wanna show you love. I just wanna love you more. Hey, some people no believe say, me I go feel love you like this. Me I no believe say, me I go feel for you so hard. Me a busy be me they I go hold you down. Surely I go hold you down like nobody. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, yeah. Baby, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Please won't you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby. Baby, would you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, baby.
Causing confusion. Yeah, causing confusion.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Thank you for making us #1. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
No, I realize how I do be your boo. Oh, but in a warfare. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my genius. They're causing confusion. So
nobody underrate you. My girl, I go to appreciate you. You know I can't ever hate you. High above the mud, I will elevate you. I go die on top of your matter, cause your lippy, daba, daba, they make me the kaya, kaya, baby.
Your official Paris station for 2023 and beyond. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special.
They're causing confusion. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my genius. They're causing confusion. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my genius. But I go follow you every day. I say you are dead. Tell me now what idea maybe I go follow you every day. Say you are dead. Tell me now what idea maybe why I go die on top of your matter, cause your lippy, daba, daba, they make me the kaya, kaya, baby. I go die on top of your matter, cause your lippy, daba, daba, they make me the kaya, kaya, baby. No, they're causing confusion. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my genius. They're causing confusion. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my genius. I give up to Almighty. They're causing confusion. I give up. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my genius. Oh yeah, yeah. They're causing confusion. I give up. They're causing confusion. So my baby forgetting my genius.
We are blazing.
I said it, Coco, how I handle it. Baby, cause you want, I go hustle you.
Okuma Radio, your official Paris station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio, 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Suffer so you don't cry. If we be having food today, I will go sky. Can it be true what they talk me? I know they lie.
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio.
Hey girl, I don't die. If you think I will leave you, God forbid, yeah. If you leave me, I die with this, yeah. You just show me things I can't resist, yeah.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Have you in my arms again, please? When they all said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. And you other anyone too. Oh, you know I still come through, Give me love, yeah.
Sports time. Kesolo. Vazeni yase wo twirimu won kran ani wo akọ no yase wo tena kan no say driver ni mate me say mu ntie me kakra sika de e me momo no so e mo me mamo star 787 hash ne driver phone say hini ha ani yase solo nya abotre chire mu chire mo a sabre de solo de atua lore fe no o de atua solo de atua na oh Kwame Tampi. Ai Kwame Adi oko boss lo chidom. Afena so la godu Madina. O boss lo chidom. Eti sabre ya kasa idi e ayabe Kwame
Demand
original. Yes, star 787 hash. And you tell all the fair.
No one here be tell all the fair. No is
wallahi. And then menya mo sa bro be.
So far bro be. Ewo.
Menya mo
Demand
original.
Me say star 787 hash.
Me say see the tell all the fair.
Star 787 hash.
Me na no say lorry fee.
That was it. Media no my. Omeba. 3. But
yeah.
Stone and catch some super ube.
My church and crofum.
Okay.
Me the co-sign not to draw.
Okay.
Co-sign no. And my chairman for say, honey, edi kind. And upon who you need beer. Adoroma.
Send you about say your lesson. Who was the sound? ID card.
That was a Nigerian cousin. Unaba yone yadamamio ya cho dada you know and then you be away we be na dey ina timi akonkan
ka odi no one tino anopa ka odi no one
ka wa ko hu anopa for ni tie
anopa for no say mai master tie mu mai
master tie mu
o say china obeba ofre o sports no so obeba china
okay so
ani dia ya fama no
oba dia say be
Facebook or so be you know
Facebook there anfa antetare mo
master okay na say me fan comedy no fan man wo okay
antetare mo but I just was me champion san enti sikano ya chicha no anu no fa 2 3 one fan 2 3 mu dia na fa ho na ekode a won acho papa star 787 hash na odi atu tena dey netimi akonkan e dey ma o dale ne sa option no beba step 2 no ye choose option 1 to enter the draw na fi sikado do bia pese otwa no na otumi atwa ne sa jackpot no kakaka na ewom no betumi awini 7,700,000 accepted golden choppable Ghana cedis and can near 7 billion Ghana scano nya say ska we a etimi se san abrabo entirely the net me akonka sabre agokansie bre adu na Kwame Adi atrase ti yemongum ade ina ntimi konkan
Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio 97.1. Akoma Radio.
With the bass, pajamas live in effect, and I don't waste time on the mic with a dope rhyme. Jump to the rhythm, jump to the rhythm, jump. And I'm here to combine beats and lyrics to make
Akoma Radio.
Come on and dance, guys. Grab a girl, don't wait, make a twirl.
Eti brena so na Kwame chese atwu sila atwu sila ebetwum on say atwu no ya wona kasa chese ata ana oba okremu a atwu yes ana twuma just afano na ana ntwu ebefa Kwame ma kwa ba
the boy meje so
original
energy na ebe ni say ma say asem fan free on say Christian atwu nsensem na so koso
na John 3:16 na we chechire mu na ma
Yankopon do wi asem
for God so love the world ntino Valentine Esperia vi enti love no ye be yi vi wo ho ma be cheche ma kira manfo
so bit my virgin
obiar hey Jesus Holy Spirit my God my Father
I just say
Virgin City
okay.
Virgin City Academy
That boy young corn. I mean, just same for Christian Achu, Akachi, when we said, and running our chipper power at Rencham, at two taking mine, Syria mine, and also, and you know, Christian Achu, Uncle K, German, as a baby, you know, young baby, and also our now, and Rata Anna Joe. Now, say me follow news and about Christian Achu, me follow the Papa. Now, Japan rescue team, no, and so no, et me, she said, but say they know, Okra camera, your friend, Tamil camera. Tamil, let's see if I said, on the Tamil camera, and I normally will. Now, I'm not so many detected, sending Nipa Makumako and 9-4. Oh, Christian Achu, na apartment, no, our man was at Nipa Esawo, Nemo, I can say, Remu, no more Yinipana, then, and so let me pay, and some back home can say, Christian Achu and Pabua, more Christian Achu and Pabua, our star area, Nim, don't say, Achuba show. Now, almost a Tamil camera, and Ura Hono, almost Sampa, once I acquire Ukra tablet. Baby so red and I say Unipan Widen, woo, I so green and I say, and Quam, obviously, a man say, I so green Macuma 9, I said, Nipan 9, so no more than almost come. Now, the one rap me woman as a 13-year-old girl, and rap fitted that I didn't see you are there, Bepimanrano. I could run 13 years, your rescue now, and also no 18 comes here, Bumpire saying you're Christian Achu, and also no Babaka, yes, now the manager, Nana, Sachere, as on Akasa or the statement about Bontina, the boy, my main kind, now man for statement, Christian Achu, the manager, so about any I say statement from Christian Achu management. It has been 9 days since the earthquake, and we still have not located Christian Achu. I just said, Namakuma and Kro, any na Atorian see no Christian Achu, Yehune. I am at the earthquake site in Hatta with Christian's family. And I just said, baby Atorian see no. Manager no ene abusuana ye Christian Achu abusuana ewo ho. The scenes are unimaginable and our hearts are broken for all the people affected. Niema akwaso ho ne se ne niema sisi ho no no kwasem womokum atu afo mankasa no womo aboto se ne ma konso no yentimi enhwe ne yi. During my time here, we have been able to locate Christian Achu's exact room location. And we have found 2 pairs of his shoes. Na just okodu ho no baby Christian Achu ya odi ni tutu ne ade no o mpaboa bi ya o hye ne ade o mahu ne mpaboa no mienu ni nyina benkum mahu ni fanso so wono mo ehun. Yesterday we received confirmation that Tamil Imaginary was showing signs of up to 5 lives. However, I am told that the only real confirmation of life is through sight, smell, sound, and unfortunately we were not able to locate Christian. Yeah, no kwase me wo me say afidie bia nyame ada no kwase broni atumi aya ya de hwe ne hu odasani no wo de bia wura amena ni mu na wo hwa hu nipa be se enum na nipa num no se 9 de no kwasem ase omote ase na niema edi adanse mi hu se odasani ne ti ase se wo hu ade na afi wo home ne afi se wo kasa kakra ho sa ne ma ni nyina no hu popoye atumi aba. This is a difficult situation, and we are extremely grateful to all the Turkish and foreign rescue teams, local civilians, and volunteers for their effort and response in rescuing survivors. We know idea ha adwen papa na mo de aseda piesie e de ma adwumaku a ane ankrankra o fam pemu atomachi na wo de ehwe wo a etiase anase wo ho kwa adwamu a wo timi eyi wo na aseda piesie na wo de ma wo mo. However, we urgently need more resources, including a translator on the ground. Things are moving incredibly slow, and as a result of that, many rescues are being delayed and lives are being lost due to the lack of resources available to the workers. Womu here obi kasa anase obi kasa wa mrani mu a obo kire ase de a kire se bia hoho ne aboafo ewo ho no no sa ne ma omunya ni ntino ama se yaji nipa nkwa no aisa kire nantie no brewo ama adwuma no se eya ka kire kakra. It is unfortunate that the club is not on the ground with us, side by side, in the search for Christian. Baby ana Christian Achu boboro no hata aspo for no ase mpanyifo no eni wo mo nchen eni mo mo se wo mo twom na nkomatiem fa benkum fa nifa no aba amadwuma na yeden kakra e de ama no mo ho no mo. Their position and influence, accompanied with their local knowledge, would be extremely helpful. We implore the president of the club and mayor of Hatta, Luftfu Savas, to provide additional resources to speed up the rescue effort as a priority.
One much more, no cancer and cray anchor. Hata aspo mpanyifo ni mpanyifo kakra ho no kamo ba eba be come ho ebo ahwehwe a o so mo akoye nkrofo a o mote ho no ankasa ni ntino anka betumi aboa na anka etumi ahwe atwu ni ade nti we de o mo stress anka mo de mo nyam ebeta akire ema ahwe ya anka we de anka beboa pa ama etumi ahu eye Christian atwuntem.
So the boy now say no a manager adema a management adema Christian atwu and almost somebody o manu di nsema ba say amuguso hihye baby omadu atwu ne dan mu angaza na za na wona ye na menya dem o matumi ahu ne mpaboa a chese ampa atwu ne dan mu nie na ha na obehye nanso na adwuma na kwa den de amomo
senka munya mpaboa ne picture ba ya betumi ahwe mpaboa na akase atwu ti ase na so nti ase
ya picture no be ba no so
na ni asem no cause unim haye kwa ya
na da ba mo say adwuma na den adwuma na den de amaso mu hia more hands but you be man panyin we de animu ya man panyin emphasis ke nwuram private rescue team enko na yenwini ane enko fa ne mra penia me ba kire so mu ye atiase ye ojidio so atiase etini more hands
na America for months ye
so no my friend ye my friend nka say America fu ye de hia ko kem na ye nya moa mo mesin na mo ko boy ne hwehwe ye de hia no
kwame wan breso na o man panyin ben breso na Bill Clinton ba Ghana no
man panyin Rollins
me say send Ghana ye urade asema ba beken wo be share po na se be se bosumi o
see e di agoro no ba makra say no so be di
na yi papa me share papa bi awie o se o chia o I see what you mean modin no see o chia o ta cheche abinfo ni bi
papa ko ata cheche me je so
see o chia o PNI so cheza makaje say o kasa no dampanyi anim see o chia pop
but the boy yeah kasa nyina no ye be sere his excellency we anya say you the pressure to me say waso a hye na mum ye be sere oye Ghana mind this
national asset
national asset
kwame here what embajo Kroben na winning World Cup but England 1960
almost 68 or something
kwame here what South squad na winning World Cup no wo show mo bepem ene esi aka nipa baako gusu show mo na atwu national asset wo boy that African Cup we e koto so mienu ono nya best player of the tournament o dey say make I say yewura baako na niji ball ho pa papa ni patent papa few wo bra atwu ba o say Ghana's Lionel Messi and the pass say atwu say mfa say Messi na ho akoka dwa mu ya kwami na national players here but national anthem dem sa tom koko God bless them home in Ghana and a nation great and strong bold to defend forever omo pon e yo mo say yo na me kwami da ko koko as international boy e play ni and em say ni anka me de mi wana so kwami we am mo
that way
what is here
the boy mobo say a player wa born heart out e dey ama on my Ghana
kwame yes
sacrificing na brabo anyina
yes ne ma eko school omo kono muti BBC and I say omo te say you rescue on papa no omo pon school ba ya the trauma
obe film and now ye tie ne yere kwa na yere kasa nyina sugu ne mu
kwame me say players better winners yo hwe Tony Yeboah ebo ball kakra o Germany ofi ho we be na no one man for Yagoa enti ye no kwanti nchen send your mu image any mu din boa eye nuanu me ho no any be don't think can someone
yes o share players in ama omo ye probably be on my out am hu but a certain player like Christian Atsu business me share an interview be one thing you be saying say adena watch channel on attention they call prison so and he quoted the Bible so a Christian and the Bible naka yes to trade upon guys ebra me deaf
yes no and na asem ba ko ka na e kama ko so bi wo no ma asem no na oni for sika
wanyanti fine e be a fine e be I finding 1,000 cities 2,000 na e be odi dem be afine enfie mienu okwa na watua and there was this form player be me money din player na some kind is na our foundation almost supporting for na obi ba ne nchen say ne ba yare serious hospital na omu nya sika $12,000 na player ne say onya I say, our friend other players almost nyebi obi kura mvi no ne ade. It was no or two kwan no ko shia atu airport. Airport on the two atu enyim say, oh, say ni say no bi dia be den abedan no nipa ne ba ehia $12,000 or the hospital. Or say atu ankasa wana ono player no. Our born a man and best yan hospital. Hospital ko $12,000.
Onipa say asemuto no e ma ne ko.
Edema, I just say onipa no yare no. 12,000 only money no baby out. But a certain player culture and you must know. I could have $12,000 and $12,000 you're saying. Don't see $12,000. You're saying okay, kako billion.
Yeah.
12,000 could yeah. But any a tone no she. I want to the banner kwemu ye G ni so mine. Obano bo over the bar ye can. 2015 AFCON. He was the best player in the tournament. For Ghana. You could do second.
Kwame say me them baba proud ball mu. I know can be now
the sacrifices this players
I think 82 na Ghana winning last African Cup ne.
Yeah.
Player back no boss Zamalek no. Every bi o yare. Zamalek for ne be fa no fi Ghana hakosa na yare. Zamalek. Oh, one more telephone and new football money that I testify to it. Zamalek team no and be fa no fi Ghana. Kosa na yare.
And now you know one care game. You fa football no kran to oh yeah Ghanaian.
Ana kwame because we say me say nipo. Ana
no, don't go there. I don't want to go that tangent.
Okay.
O dey me yanko. But Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Oh yeah Ghana ni. And see those and I am come no. The politicians out there. The greedy ones. Amono mu ko kedwe ma na ba ko kedwe. Yentia Anna Sebi, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. Now, what you the private jet fund if you go UK? The Finance Minister of Ghana, they want to go UK. I don't care. They can do whatever they want to do. But this is a serious issue. The boy, our brother is in danger. Our brother, 1 week in here, 1 week on the NDD. And you want us to sit here and be laughing over it. Meanwhile, we can help him. You better buano. You better. We spend money on unnecessary things. Unnecessary things. You're telling us this much. You're spending 10 million Ghana cedis. You're on unnecessary things. You're saying battery and ties. You're spending. And our brother is suffering. Imagine say oba those in government e only be ana no aka adwama obetena say mfa ho and now look at the asema manager and I say enyesi ntumi you know and I say we wu ye interpreter we go for coach Milo betena krom ha on table of ye fan interpreter can etu interpreter ka so can't you just spend 1 week
on an interpreter na kontana na
na okay
you
ntumi spend 1 week. Say a interpreter, the rescue team say, oh, okay, you sign for private, a rescue team kakra, munko so botina, ye this year no. Yem fanamera. They waste money on unnecessary things. Since my Marcotina hotel mobile state match in idea. Look at the current situation of mine here. You spend money on unnecessary things. You can't also my anchor. You say it. You can do whatever you want to do. You say Yabremu Kruma.
What's it?
Yabremu Kruma.
Oh, I did cry.
Yabremu Kruma. They can take Ghana. Ghana. Nankasankoshi Butum Ghana. No maybe Yabremu.
Nanadi. Medasi. I'm a program. Let's try it. Oh, yeah. Kwame didn't know. Papa, Papa, then you Papa, you're ciao. Money. What's the money? I'm coming to you. Okay. Gana yanko Dominion ebia hia duro. Gana mpanyefo hia nduro. Omu hia nduro. Mu hia nduro. Gana mpanyefo mu hia nduro. Monye
say ye kase Dominion herbal powder emma immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wotadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adron dey fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya ye se me se
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na me kanfo ne aye ewo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene menti ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na da treketo ase biagumu wa twa nseti yanom wa wie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba ton mo manufo ene nkwada woni mfiedum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum.
Oh la la! Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company impeni for say. Enya cement ni blocks nkunu woton. Ubomodiya di weni choma share. Gubenya eya building equipment. Sambiro paso do call site ahodo. Concrete product. Anafei omo supply abo anwea. Anafei bibi biara wo pebia wo building site wo. Kaiser omo so dia into real estate development and so. It would dino paso wo peja ni tempa. Wo fra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Go bejo so. Fu ani chiro obosoma sie kwapem. Amono Krapim Koforidia Asunjay Junction was Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company wo from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 9012 Woko social media handles in nyina eye Ofla Construction Limited Company wonsa erekomo kaisa omo ye free delivery baby awo bi emfa ho ye de bekwa koja on tempara se nya Ofla dia and there you are not building. Kayo say Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property our priority.
Meni Jiminia. Menu aduane wo fia ne den ti se nia me pe no. Minnim kwan ya mefa so a me fiefo ani be gye meduane no.
Menu apenyi. Nyina nim se de na papa pe waduane no asene ma me de mpo.
Na afia ba ne se ne nso me amani. Esese me ye hu bibi ansa na me ho atwam.
Fa weye waduane free na eko. Na pharmacy da bre me achiri.
Kwai ne desi. From suku. Hello. I didn't know drew her. Saboba ne duane na asa. Ma obiara mbɔ me subu.
Ofie natural spices are done. We hear bisisia adibia no ameduane wo me fia hada. Na me de bi nso akogu me supo mu ato.
Ofie natural spices powder. Edelnu bededi.
Atufo mfre 0552 617 139 0546 761 939 0242 299 0691.
Asempe bia ba. Upesika akostati ejuma bi. Uhia bosia atre udwadie mu. Uye government ana private worker unye sika de ate hot bi so. Uye busumi ejuma unye scan tempa bi so. Eni na quick credit be ma obosia mu atwa ne kakra. Eye collateral free loan na susu savings account opening ni deposit BRNim de hia ne se uye Ghana ni na wo Ghana card. Se wanye ejuma afiwe mu de kodia na wa na upe o excuse BRNim for quick credit it was 0302 200 390 and 0596 920-833. Number for Biara Frewa enya quick credit. Shenen so say quick credit and loan ewo internet so. Enti shena obiara ndada. Bank of Ghana ammomu dwede ho kwan na kaise nhihye da ho.
Quick credit. Lending made simple. Akropon Kapim on Kuma Radio 97.1. On Kuma Radio.
Beyond control. Baby, you got to know. Say I've been waiting forever for you. Oh na na na. Baby, you got to know. Say you be everything that I've been waiting for. Oh na 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 na. Benjamin doing a yo. Benjamin home, I'm in Jimmy. Oh don't you come Mr. Benjamin doing a yo. Benjamin home, I'm in Jimmy. Oh no, you come Nakadene na nyoya. Menye nije nyodopa. I can see bafo. I can see bafo. Nakadene na nyoya. Menye nije nyodopa.
I was saying.
I
Forget the casano, I'm with your someone no. Although you will be so me move a film no. Obi pay you don't be na so me man no. See the fella, chuma me na so what don't mean chuma no. Or no one me virus or no one me cure. Killer see frame now so what don't need a pure. Ubu sa the number me or training who fear. Go a cheap shot the drum me no fear. I hear my dad mommy, breaking mommy. To bona flexing at working mommy. Menya butre na Miami research Canada Japan pussy what check mommy. My family say me barrel, barbecue, me bacho. Need me do, na ya ya. Any I won't slow mo ever show me di mommy.
Menye ni jenyo dopa. I can see
on Kuma Radio 97.1.
Menye ni jenyo dopa. I can see
Penam, pegam, biscuit, jabam, peka, pekash, sugar daddy, jitax. Yeah, down Pemua, show no message, me a zero. Onim Saboy non take, so Tim Scott, man a hero.
Chairman, no one can. What do you see about me? Oh, no. Mrs. Jamie, I'm on you, no one go. What I see about me, oh, no, get better than you, men, need you, I can see for not get better than you, men, you need I can see sometimes
like 7.1 FM. We are blazing.
With a body shape, yeah.
Up my radio.
Yeah. Give me good soup on a Sunday, yeah. Follow for you on the first day. Me bow your dimmy nice one, yeah. Oh, I change mine down home for a while. Oh, I change mine down home for a while. All them other boys just be good school, yeah. Won't make you know, say I do wow. Won't make you know, say I do wow. Never let you go, say I do wow. I put on the energy, you give me the song. All the good vibe, you give me the song. I put all the loving that you give me to everything. My pretty little thing, see I never. Put on the energy, you give me the song. All the good vibe, you give me the song. I put all the loving that you give me to everything. My pretty little thing, see I never.
Girl, I give you my body, girl, I give you my soul. I give you anything you want, make I know. Oh my girl, you blow my mind, yeah.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Money my face, I got know. Oh my girl, I know the lie. Everything, baby girl, you be everything. Say your vibe, you be everything. So for your love, baby, I just sing. Yeah. You get back. You ask me,
On my radio. On my radio 97.1.
He say, there is no equality in marriage. The man is always the head. And it is yampa. Very man what them grown in your 80. There is no equality in marriage. The man is always the head. Relationship coach. I don't know because actually you kware. Nyame amo obi akan nyakopon bo bere makan. Hey. Zama. Tajman here. Another Tajman here. Tajman here. And Ziggy, TikTok no why are they? You're not Donzi. You're not trying what? Let me go here MC or baby. No, be trying me to TikTok. Of course you are minion. Na nyona makaje say TikTok no metimi abu agumo no. And na ewo hu. Even you want TikTok wona. Metimi abu agumo. On points like punctuation. Don't you naturally me. You naturally me papa na. Me fa woni di. Say want me kwa menye sika wa hu. And na me star 787 hash ambassador. Na masia ya TikTok. Oh, me the star 787 hash scano. Me bet you am tight. I'm the bia correction. Now me the TikTok is scano. Oh, star 787 hash. Enter the net. Shatawale. It don't see. Amo, ay, Ziggy B, enter the net. That is 7. Ashi, enter the net.
That be why I don't take you for a fool. We be one, no be two. Girl, I never see your type to be.
I didn't have to go now. I mean, me as ever.
They see that I love you, it's making them sick. A trip to Hawaii, a trip to Dubai. In a few months, baby, I'm a spot to the cake.
Now, don't see me catch it. We say, I didn't. The chairman, I didn't.
Find you for this.
The don't me catch we say John 3:16 need the birthday need the Valentine no Bible ni mu baby anywhere obehu na no kwase me wom ni say makeka ni ma bo ani ama atoso na John 3:16 no muntie mi o for God so loved the world. Now Valentine so was very 8-letter word. VALEN
Live to die another day for you, baby. Quit my casting over waste.
CI.
The only time that you
NE
hate me is when I take
Valentine.
Run.
Valentine.
You till kingdom come, but you drive.
Now love no LOVE. And the love no love no V no. Love no V no. Yenya V from for God so loved the world. Valentine no yes but yenya V. Now yemra A no from V you go to A. And yemra gave for God so loved the world that he gave and the VA love no ye V and I gave never for A only you ever for L only you ever for L and the begotten you ever for day begotten you ever for day you ever for E or begotten huh. Hey, don't you say menka star 78 hash? Never can be a menkasa.
die another day for you, baby. Quit my Casanova ways for you, baby. The only time that you say that you hate me is when I take the last slice of pastry. Now I'm on the run.
If you be gotten,
love you.
You
drive me crazy. Send someone still my
and
baby.
From begotten wunya iya begotten anim wa anapakura jasa in and jasa enito nabra whosoever believe in and so benya enu ho and so benya enu ho na yako but ubenya ayati na perish when ya I everlasting no ubenya en na life when ya e where we Valentine. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believe in him should follow us, and let us do *787# Ofla Construction and Real Estate Infantu Enim. Ofla Construction and Real Estate Infantu Enim. So Roma.
If to die another day.
We are more sidang, young I sidang, young I gush sidang, and fay na yaso die. The Bible see or dang.
When I take the last slice of
see a dang.
Run.
Na a dance in your mano. Nitro, we see ya. Who will be at the top? A ya say, we are no humpo. American for a year of La Construction and the Real Estate in the mouth.
Baby, now you matter, I sing all day, yeah.
Mr. Mara, you can't man into me. My John wants to be the friend. Hey, and a partner say, good morning, honorable. This is Mr. Don't see Bejana, Mr. Mara. Brennan Swing, Mama France, Brennan Swing. And the Ofla Construction, open air, abo, open cement, plywood. Niente amije plywood ni dinse. Etimi adwuma bia bi. Plywood etimi dwuma bia bi. Esa oye chop box.
Another day for you.
Oye nkonwa.
Quit my castle.
Oye kitchen cabinet ni ade.
You say that
you bi ho no. Ase ope abo ene abo nketua ni akese. Ne odi ye concrete ibi. Ne odi ye nsamso. Nyina obenya bi. Ase ope truck e de adwuma. Payloader services, real estate development, general construction ni ade ni nyina no obenya bi wo Ofla Construction and Real Estate won asue. Asue no etino ebiesa. Amono kroma kuapem. Abosuma say go for idua. www.oflaconstructionlimited.com www.oflaconstructionlimited.com and I feel social media handle no Ofla Construction Limited. Your property are priority. Elise Ayao. Rental services and coastal.
If to die another you baby.
Yeah, mami.
The only time that you say that
Elise Ayao.
When I take the last slice of pastry.
Rental services.
Run.
And coastal. Kingdom
come.
Nam say yesum nam say yakukwa nam.
Still my billboard baby.
Nam biara or the sene ye. Ope bia. Nyashe fridge mu a freeze aye papa. Ukotobi wo baby na sebi nkonko nene bi na mo ho a. Maka kire baby ese okona koto ade no. Elisa yao. Ngosia na opa ngosia papa. Tuton. Adaroma. Afe uye outdoor engagement wedding party. When you serve yourself near my inchensing papa. I want to corriging. Now they are 7 wow birthday. Uye maybe I make us say you know by any precom. Bible crazy. Oni partner si di mfio ware na owu na wansie na sie papa opomba bo so won faso sen no do ya yi na obe save yourself na chance no na Elise Ayao
Casanova ways for you baby
okropo amanfo agba hia ni mu yara
when I take the last slice of pastry
na be fane ma no be hai Odi Juma, what you say?
Kingdom.
Come on.
He sent someone, still my billboard baby.
Also, I'm enjoying the music. It's Mavis from Sinai Junction.
Baby, now your matter I dey sing all day, girl.
Mavis. Don't you say? I was up. I'm a happy chocolate day. Now chocolate day, I want to grab them. No, Mama, chocolate back home. Here, I don't go for. These people. Nana, Ope, I abonse. Aha. Nana, maybe I call me Chia and I want to then.
Bitcoin get my wallet like this. Wisdom in my knowledge like this.
Our credit assembly for some chairman you and Neddy. My admire you being a bidder. And we move. Yeah, maybe it's a course
for you, baby.
But to do my so
that's an overweight.
Be a and
the only time that you say that you hate me is when I take the last slice of pastry. Now I'm on the
hey, Affair Maxwell.
Loving you.
I'm fair now, Kwame. I'm fair now, Affair Maxwell Abo.
My billboard baby.
Affair Maxwell. Yo, the old canto so.
I mean like by me.
Affair Maxwell. I say, our infant.
Your matter I dey sing all day.
Anopa no che seminar na krokodoma ampa krokodoma na Affair Maxwell so de ne de aba 7 star 787 hash the B keke I say the B keke Affair Maxwell I say the B keke star 787 hash
Bitcoin get my wallet like
the B keke Affair Maxwell ne and then have a no numabo. I want to go through the process which you
quit my Casanova way.
Hang up a fast year with this cano and I'm going. I don't see 300 Ghana cedis, 300 Ghana cedis.
Run.
I'm a Nipa Basa.
You till Kingdom come.
Basa.
Drive me crazy.
Akropo, are you ready? Latte, are you ready? Manfi, are you ready? Okri, are you ready?
No day, girl. Overdose, body overdose. I'ma say you carry overload, and you know you bad like commando. Okay, oh man, no good I define you.
Enti no number bounce menuma yerebeche sika yedo Masa wabeja odi wa Kwame fa kwani bre Eddie kwa kwani baso wa wini bi afani bre no meja o I said they will dance so
to die another day.
Yeah, great. No, I quite papa.
Baby.
Hey, Usube to me adibi. Star 7.
Loving you.
Star 7.
Drive me.
Star 7. Star 7. Oh my Lord, oh my sweetie, oh my everything, my heart, my star 7, 8, 7 hash. Oh hallelujah! I'm giving you money tonight to go and flex, go and chill. Star 7, 8, 7 star hash. Star 7, 8, 7 hash. Star 7. 8-7 hash. Jesus Christ. Uribedi 10,000 Ghana cedis. And upon early bed 10,000. And you may submit to me 10,000. Now for jackpot on Ankatano. What's in a D? 700,000 Ghana cedis. In Kangno 7 billion. And you say, Obefa a mobile phone. Now what dial is star 787 hash. Oh, phone so. Now option steps in ni. O dial steps in ni. Choose option 1. Enter the number of tickets. Sikana editor here 5 Ghana cedis. 5 Ghana cedis. What to me the ewuram. Could be episode to be on to me at all. 5 cedis. Now do sika old mobile money no at the chia. Come on. Now early morning, and about to know over to me a 10,000 Ghana cedis. Now for numerous so but me a DB. Now for raffle no so jackpot kasina kasano. 7 billion. One able to me. One able to me a disagree be. The eligible participants, you know. How about me enter star 787 hash, you know. It's a who you be where the 18 years and above. 18 years and above. And you know must have what register mobile money account. What register mobile money account. After phone now would be the Jumano, would be Traloto no, would be Diago no. And that's how you be the and say you want kasa what day. I say one kasa what day. Yay! Money. Akasimano ba kope ye bedisika. Ye berisika. Ye benumsika. Star 7. Star 7. Star 7. 8 7 hash. Star 7. Star 7. Star 7. 8 7 hash. Ose.
Them say my rap no they make sense. But I take my bands. Money no they like noise. You know like nonsense. Put me on airplane mode. I will still fly test. I know they pay Mario. No more points. Every day when they shout hallelujah.
Star 7 8 7 half.
Boys on the left hand, girls on the right.
Star 7 8 7. Oh,
love for your rights.
Come and say now to me. Are you coming to write the human being's name? Yeah, this man will do it. Yes, Christo will write it. Money don't like noise. Sikam perere. Hello. And okay, because I say me at night, I put myself in the inside. Araroya. Hello. I don't have enough people what you said. Press video. Hey, right. Come get the press video, friend. Fire never got to go. Opesika got okay, fire. Ever fire. Hello. Kotokoni. Papa. When you agree as Akumani. Kotokofu yani mo agree as house for anim. Akumani. Hello. Yeah. Fire. Papa. I don't catch you. No. Come here, website question one. Come here, the website question what it? Come here, Papa. I want to tell you something. Let me miss out. Come here. And fire. Fire your machine and fire related. Come here. Come here.
See, no, cool.
Fire money diankasa.
Fire body diankasa na yenchanu. Ni awo ID so, bo ni awo ID so na.
Yeah.
Ransford Esiedu Asante.
Ransford
Esiedu Asante.
Ford.
I don't know why ID so na Asante Ransford yi na awo ID so mayehu.
Ni nyina wo so.
Esiedu there Asante.
Esiedu Ransford Asante.
Ransford Esiedu Asante. Good. Good. Come in.
Fire question.
Yeah. Give him question.
Man question.
Man question. Yeah. Come man question.
Fire, go home. Yeah. Okay. Ozzy, how many tickets must a player buy to win daily prizes? There's a ticket, do one, and I say the ultimate talk and sana that could be away to me every knee. I star 787 as HDB.
Oh, ticket in the do be out to be but this auto bro one. If you do be out to be almost star 787 as now do be out to be over to me after.
Clap for him. Fire.
Papa.
You've won yourself 100 Ghana cedis.
Yes, thank you very much.
We need 100 Ghana from. And it's star 787 as one is out the
yeah. So star 787 as.
It's what your office and now chagum office now chagum. Yes, Saturday boom frate now
there. 787 as. Okay. It
we are sorry.
No way, I would try you be scan out on. And the fire over office. Why? Sikan you nipan now. Do now the ID card why?
Okay. Fire. No matter say where J 100 Ghana cedis no. 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 and I feel 0270818748. Once you bet me afraba now once you be D 100 Ghana cedis. So bet me afraba now also be D 100 Ghana cedis. Ha tiare kwa ni Obia ba okay.
I'm from Beska Ukruma. Oh, Fred, can I get 100 Ghana cedis?
Enti yare ko 0551 66 okay. Obia ba humana so. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
Adisi Beni.
Salome.
Salome Pacho Bodi nyina.
Salome o afa.
Salome.
O suya.
O
afa.
Suwa. Aqua. Anyone won? Good. Salome na huye.
Okay.
Mbaja huye ana.
Oh, ejana dumo. Yeah, sorry de ni ehun.
Yo. Na akoma ni o.
Ofiapmaya.
Yeah, memma ko sign ebie. What you say? Jackpot no. Sika he en edaso betumi afa. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh. Salo 0551667755 0551667755. Hello. Hinanio.
Richard Hinekuni.
Ija ina kwata fifa.
Richard Hineku kasefi Ebiru. Yo.
Akuma ni o.
Ukapumayano.
Akuma ni o.
Ofiepe.
Yo. Richard Hineku. Oh, Richard so entumi enyina so 0551667755 0551667755. Hello Richard. Musanfre bio na yanko yanim 100 Ghana cedis na say a bomb. Hello Richard ni ana
Ifajori.
Good Richard ina ku kasa fi Ebiru. Good Rich. Yeah. Number ben na be dial na fi watimi aba competition ni mu no.
Star 787. Star 787.
Richard, me hi one attempt to why? But that's good. Until you call your name. Hello. Okay. 0551 6677 55 0551 6677 55 0270 191 971. Good. Hello. Hello. Ina ni o. Ebenezer kasa free infa. Ebenezer. Ebru infa ni.
Eduke.
Ma radio nimra fam. Oi. Good. If you share de ko na obetumi aka agudi ho. Hello. Who's it?
Hello.
Mr. Frishahi, the corner good you to me account.
Any age, yeah.
Is it 12 years crack on?
Yes.
Yo, but that's why. 0551667755 0551667755. Good. Obiswaba. Hello. Akuma ni o. Because of mo hinani.
Bacho ya frame Pokuya.
Pokuya Kasafi.
Kasafi kwa Besco.
Kwa Besco yanki haya.
Yo.
Una watu kwa Besco nanu hono.
Bacho yo.
Wow, de bia mu so radio ni do akuma nyame shira wate.
Amen.
Yo, na wadaremo jackpot no sika hi na betumi adi.
That's why 100 Ghana cedis.
100
Ghana cedis.
But I say one time pe. Hello. Come on you.
Salonio, network name.
Go, Salo.
Yay.
Anything jackpot no sika hi na betumi adi.
10,000.
Jackpot no sika kakaka na da so no. Hello. Anishi Beni.
Richard, ingine kumafanya bebi.
Jalina kukasafi.
Ebiru.
Richard.
Papa.
You want steps bia. Obefa na fe what me atwa lotto ni nyina ba kwa bia bia sa na Richard mame na hwe.
Ani minimum.
Ani rent Richard. Okay. Benasi. Good.
Namam.
Hello. 0551667755 0551667755 na fi 027091 Hello. Saloniana.
That's what they be.
Macho maso inani.
Abrasa chibieni.
Abrasa chibia kasa friend fa.
Me kasa fi Papa di Kefi
o. My radio no confirm meet sound be bro masum please. Yeah, what steps are 9. I'll be to me I follow and I'll be the achi and sana. Okay, good. Hello. Saloni.
Hannah,
who ye?
Pacho.
Good. Hannah.
Osa.
Madam Roma. You born number be sambi na the hash out to achi. Which one wa mama na? Okay, my uncle.
*173#.
Hannah.
Osa.
Miss you born numbers be. Upo star na sana hash na ba.
72#.
Na jackpot no sika kakaka na da so no abetumi adi no ahe
100 million.
Hello.
Yeah, 100 million.
Medase. Hello. Hello. Anishi Beni.
Pacho your friend. Yeah.
Ya kasa fifa.
Kasafi amanfo.
Amanfo ya.
Yo.
Padaroma. Mr. Jackpot no. Sika kakaka na Ubo star 787 hash no. Kakana da so pa no he.
1,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
That's it. Hello. Onishi Beni. Anthony Kasafifa. Anthony Kasafifa. O Kasafifa. Edukom Infani.
Station.
Lorry station one now. Okay, see. Also, who is eligible to participate in star 787 hash promo no? Hinana, what me qualify so Oyebi.
From 18 years and above.
18 years
and above.
Yo. Sika chenchen that's a pound eh.
Majority.
Sika kakakane that's a pound jackpot sika no eh.
700 million.
What's it?
700 million.
700 million.
Bachai.
Okay. Yo. 700 million. What about? Imprint kase mo ba ya.
Majority.
But that's why. Anti Monsem Anthony. Anthony.
Sir.
But you didn't kasa there.
Bidian kasa broom BROOHM. Broom is a BROOHM.
M. Broom there.
Ebenezer.
Broom Ebenezer. Edukroma
Bachai.
Okay. Eti Fawadi card bra na beje 100 Ghana cedis wate.
Mbachoyo. Metumi abasia.
Beje abasia mpre metumi aba why?
Mbacho.
Hello. Akumani o.
Ofie pe.
Adeshi Beni.
Ayo femo Owusu Michael.
Owusu Michael Kasafi. I'm Brom. Owusu. Why crowd? Hello.
Hey.
Ina ni o.
Me message him that for WhatsApp will be what me next taking it.
Okay.
If I say the S one by 700 for message that.
Hello. Enti.
Yeah.
Answer na be enter competition. Obo number ben. Good. Also the biafa am I you? Yan salute no. Hello,
so my son but the me answer me your call.
Answer your question. O ba ko pe me ma bi. Why? I had yan check salute the answer. Don't yan check salute answer. What you say? Correct. Me YouTube. I had the soldier. Hello. Eti you check salo answer no. Hello say.
The boy scam yes no ye.
Yeah. Salo say the afa. Je check voice note no so you be check here say etimi afa ana yan check salo the answer. Why odaroma. Ti twanum tum donzi, twatum. Trying to na and check the load and answer na fi intimate so. I had there.
I'm too jealous for the rest. Okay, alright. I'm too jealous for the rest.
Sikanum pedede ama hayede pa. Shower. That's right. Who say Akuma no data? Yeah, Akuma data. Obi say no. Obi have voice note to the Abba. Yema. Say.
Alright. I'm too jealous for the rest. Okay, alright. I'm too jealous.
Sina yerko ya ni musa. Never say amafu bedidi. Broom Ebenezer. Abana umade. San Ransford Asiedu Asante. Ransford Asiedu Asante. Onuso abana umade. Aka 100 do mise. Steps are. Would be wuram na watumi atwabino. Anone say Ufo no so no. Na wa dial *787 hash. *787 hash. Na fe wa apiki option 1. Na so we draw ni mu. Ticket ni dudu bia wetimi atobia. Na do phone na tuaka. Wonga timi twa bi ye wonga edi 18 years and above. Aha. En kan sika boti e da so no. Jackpot no. Yes 7 billion. 7 billion en kan sika no. 700,000 Ghana cedis. Na na what be and there sika betumi adi no ye 10,000 Ghana cedis. 10,000 Ghana cedis. Na betumi adi there be ya.
So one.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Good. It means a code now bebo. Na fe would you enter competition and as would you try when saying
*787 hash.
*787 hash. Salut.
Ah, the boy.
Salut. Auntie, salut dia kaza eden.
The way all my for people and send a network yaba.
Missy, would you kaza eden?
Salome
Owusu Aqua.
Yes, please.
I know why the card so.
Yes, please.
Brana BJ 100 Ghana cedis. Why? One kata bra. David Suma kata bra. David.
Okay, man kasa de ne otuna.
Yo Marty.
Yeah, okay, mo be tere ho ko na meba.
Marty. Ni also the farna enko na. Okay. 300 Ghana cedis. Ne ya che awie. Kuma ngade okronga suma chipo ba akoso. Enti kana fa to team. Fianopa, Sabri, Yakesika, papa, Yera Kebi Chebi, Sports for Chebi, come on, Kwame Dako, Aquaba Drive, DJ Donzi, DJ Zikibi, Yura Kofiasa, Yenara, Ayurade, in Ransford, a Sedua Sante, aka Fire, and I say, Broom Ebenezer, I say, oh no, I would see one time for any and now man for I say, oh, Charlie, it could be, it's a big keke. It's the enemy, *787 hash, *787 hash. Now, early bird, no, we need 10,000 Ghana cedis, 100 million, partial. Jackpot, no, 7 billion. And that was 700,000. That's a weddy with them. Na kwa mfa so be wura mu ni. O fa phone na No dial star 787 hash star 787 hash. Now if you want select options no. Do be a person to ticket in 5 Ghana cedis. Do be a person try be away to me extra. Na mo say phone no wankasa wo de afi we register umomo no we register na say to me idi agori ni bi won to me ni bi no 17 years mun ni bi 16 mun ni bi untimi ntwa bi 15 12 1 6 months afi na wanyemo untimi ntwa bi na mo 18 years 18 19 20 de kono obetumi edibi nti ena nwumre ha ana yedemo erisi mo amadi ni nyina na mamutinkwa da foforo yebesa de agyinam na wo so aba be wini bi ote ase aha akoma do kronson achipo ba akoso ni happy chocolate day to all of you, to our cherished listeners and to the winners. And one want to meet Mubawuramu na network and how much you know. We say kudos to you next time. One for free a brew, one for free latte, one for free a do chrome. Yadamunya say God bless you. Gracias. Another Esperanto. Midi and kwame your hand out committed the funyam rant D boy. Na fe your bonyo mame bonyo bribia DJ Tonzi. Ziki B. No say kwame questions no ye. Yanko adina ya kama. Na kwame the sports or the buy. Fe Ziki B. So you ten nka McFadden born chidom. Yenra Kofian on bafo. Yami shall opinion. Yami aduma mbotemenka say yede eye nka bobremu. King's privilege for so yechia mu nyinare. Yami shamo. Don't tell him Ermasipa. Now that's Brando. Bye bye. We don't cry, we no tire. Every day, me a sika. Me pese, me king kind sika dime. Yeah, if you say me a sika, me say no. Me a sika, me say no. Me a sika, me say no. Me a sika, me say no.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
I feel way me pray for favor, pray for grace, me to fear, let's see Father by here one Jumanu ya fa Si canso ya chia ma But this year we go fly and we call holidays so Dubai yepe money making kind sika dime yeah Father by here one Jumanu ya fa Si canso ya chia ma But this year we go fly we call holidays so Dubai yepe money
Party station for 2023 and beyond. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special.
Sike ya chia swema
sika ya chia swema. I'm a na cry and I'm a na cry and era the sun be show ma. Na you me a ye bien swemfa. You see sika ye muja. Teni abriko se muja. Yamaha say ye be diagro. We are here searching for the paper. Baby you free by me coin wa. Sika no so ye penny time. Many me boys are trapping the mula. You sakani dia what a danger. When you be a we bobo. We track is a boy koto. Happy ready body ye me radio. Change you better. Anya fairy. I feel it, Anyafa, Sikabeba, money they call me for brain, money they call me for.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Na yebeko eyelegon. Ehonum na cheche for chese no krene. Aban amfa nipa no ama acheche for ho echire wo. Aban ye bibi fa ho.
Ene akase bokra ba me yakwa akotie se ene Gabi ena ye de atodwa se no su nipa ne ho hia. Ebi ma asasi su da. Ade na Gabi akoya na ye to ayampia mane no saa no ye di musem ebro.
Wana my friend the tin no. Ready Gabi. Sabajo o de ho ba saa.
Temuda.
Afei obi a wakwa wi abode. Wo matimi ahwe no amana kananu masem nyina awie etwe na so a. O ma bunaku no. Na University of Ghana ena adesuafo bi am Commonwealth Hall chese.
Ni bi edema asuafo.
Sanso ana driver ni bi satwa yesi ohwa okowura MPP first vice chairman fie mi wasem bi kachero mi wasem bi akoka wie mi ache no akoka che na wie so ma sa ache no
any unnecessary confession
na ene agifo bus me da chaso eduna advance day metia chocolate kura minya obi anche mi bie ye kwasehwi bekwaya kwakwa mpanifo ne ekokwa kwafo nyina ediboma kwahwe chocolate se de edi ahim no enya samketwa
awia wosam ne samanfo ne agya wo mu di Val's Day wo bi dwetira wasesa ne nyina akotoka so de ye trotro nipa tim nipa nkwa trailer amini aboso ama hwese de ka na ye na ya misase ne nipa wo mu timu no wo mu soso tibia mu tesan ye de ne nyina ebro
track quick anya quick
debi we eno an waka no track quick
kokuputin awusiafo ye ne ayesum anwumre ye me apia kubi kase wahene from Wasa International mene kokupie sie chenche hini Putin na afei
ohima sachiwa ahwene pa akrove apia Valentine ye mrante ne mabawa dia wati enye nkukrafo
medasi awusiafo ye twe ho ba twe
Hello. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Across the world, your full good party radio station. Okuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie FM fufuro bia abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie Owani pandi mani mai One she say body mati memu 40 e wakuma nefe Ago kensi eni kasi papa Jadi eni ampo mudunse e wakuma nefe 97.1 Ghana jimwa tumo Misi efi anwumre opi manopano Eye wara no bieti FM fufuro bia abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie FM Fufrubia Abano. Menkwa mintu mintie. Menkwa mirintu mintie.
Ya som pipe Okuma Radio. Okapemai any Ghana Fonina. Yeti. Akropon Kapem. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ayame Adelaide Dubuo a me wo Parliament Sports me ne Okuman Radio di nhwanim me wireless de bia no po awio anodwofon e de Okuman nti misire mu amuti Okuman nyina se obi enti ho na ho de nsempa medam ase.
Yo, Medinde Abempong Kwekutroy, CEO of Abempong Clothing, Okuman 97.1. Mwana yeti, moya je.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, among for frame Yaro, Munti Akuma Radio da edase.
Okuman Radio de a radio papa taxi driver for BAT to be funny radio into Okuman. Out of radio to Okumaya, Ube home for so also. Your friend Kwajo Abrabo 1, Miamini.
Amamra yantutunasio.
Sankofa ukofa wonchi
edwumadi a Okuman Radio 97.1 ne akwapim kwi munim difubi ato kasa de rebetiatia akwapim kwi yare tonsum no
kenkan me
wobekenkan akwapim kwi homa na wayemu mpensempensemu
kasakwa mebusam ene kasasu ahoro akenkan ne ntiase
ukuda awia na abia ngosi na abiesa memene da anigyofa no nson ngosi no nwotwe
amane aware agoru ahoro abedinto opawni ade
joda fie wia no ngabie nkosi no ngabiesa ahwe agoru anwensem ayan ebisai ni ade
sankofo opa wonchi omebia ewona mamrenti ya mamre momien somoye
egransheni paneshe
Eradi asomdwe nka mu nyina onuadofo a wotie me onipa asetere mu nsem edoso ebi ya nije na ebi eyareho ne eye nije no ye kaide nanso ne nkai ne kakra bi na ne yareho no ene yentena che na etode bi a edienya ema neoma yehwese betumi ayo no mpuri yentumi nye ne saaye mu no ena Okuman Radio 97.1 edujumedi ya tudin ene da sobre ederebrel fi joda kosi fida anopa biara finonum ekosi emra nonum aba paun sima edunum yenga yebedi sa jumedi mu chiame eneme osofo John Kwachi meniminu osofo Nathaniel Kingsley NT mesrese ya so leti sa jumedi onyankopon nam so ebe ma hoye kunindefo onyankopon nhyira amen.
Ya som pipe Okuman Radio. Okapemai any Ghana Fonina. Yeti.
Egransheni paneshe.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuman Radio, your station all day.
We can do this thing forever, forever, ever. I don't have to do too much. And him said, I know that. Bam bam bilam bam bam. Put some sugar on you. My loving go make you come back. And I go run for you, cause I'm burning up. Girls, kasa, but they kwa. Dio dina dia di binkum neji. Don't my indiasa. Baby, I am burning up. Girls, kasa, but they kwa. Dio dina dia di binkum neji. Baby, you should know. You know, you know. I care what's my back with me. You know. I care what's my back with me. You know, you know. I care what's my back with me. You know, you know.
Shorty got me thinking about going honeymoon and all of that. Flame me 2 hours and I don't call her back. Texting me, I will say, honey, oh, my heart attack. I just want to be sure. So with the deal so I can call the cap and move straight to you. I see way through you. Mema wujata dear, don't let this cute face fool you. Girl, no, me Driana, she's my cheesecake voodoo. Or mama have a one bite, watching me straight to Mugu by the ocean. Beach house, had a baby, I am on in devotion. Share my brain, none of them got my emotions. What they were done, I shot me, but they wouldn't a solution. So I had the notion, she my ride or die bitch, don't deserve a side chick. Then I get into that she's the type you wanna die with. She be too real about him, I deserve a bad whip. Near me, I will be our back and me say I lip, and that shit is real.
You know, I can't also my back with me. You know, baby, you know, I can't also my back with me. You know, we can do this thing forever, ever. I don't have to do too much. Unim seni yabiyado dada. Bam bam bilam bam bam. Put some sugar on you. My loving gon' make you come back, and I go run on for you, cause I'm burning up. Boys kasa badidikwa. Dio dina dia di benkunechi. Dama nyasa. Baby, I am burning up. Girls, cause I'm body dig. Baby, you should know. Oh, you know. I can't also my back with me. Some more back with me. Oh,
Alcoma Radio, your station all day. Alcoma Radio, your station all day.
I still can't believe this. Can't believe I can't take control of myself, baby. Makoma bo me bang bang bang. Me freo anase me nyawo ma unko na mi nkosun, baby. Enka Mr. Playboy dear. Kebani send me who about mama come up me bang bang bang. But this feeling is so different. What reason will I give my heart if I should let you go, baby? Cause I wanna know you. And the sweetie, me pass a menu didn't come walking to where be. I show me so sad be seen there. Yeah, woman go me with and I say I love you, girl. I wanna marry you, 'cause girl, I can't live without you. 'Cause you're the one, yeah, the only one, yeah, my diamond girl. I wanna be with you forever, 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 forever. I wonder if your father was a thief, or someone stole the stars from the sky and put them in your eyes. Girl, I'm not saying things just to flatter you, but every bit of what I say comes from within my heart. So just tell me why. What do you read? Me who fi friend him Manuel Popo. On sakama kuma shese ni so man can travel my me who. But to me I can't idea. My me 3 points. What reason will I have given my heart if I had let you go, baby? 'Cause I know I love you. I know I love you. And this sweetie, but to me new wedding come every year. I get me here and so bad you. Mommy, boy, I'm mad at you to say I love you. Girl, I wanna marry you. 'Cause girl, I can't live without you. 'Cause you're the one, yeah, you're the only one, yeah, you're my diamond girl. I wanna be with you forever. To me dance so I would die and go on. Tipping a summer me, then just happy be better me soon. 'Cause girl, I wanna spend the rest of my life with you.
tie ebe no so sensem ahodo ya yensa ka nyina yetesem di amawo na womanfo ebeka ye na no ye de amane bi fra sante mantemu bremo se uduru ho no musesi a NDC amyokuo no mu nipa ba ko a wono fredom efa mabunu famu ye fra ne se Razak Kwampa Avolia na eho no ankasa ne din we ye mo yedi omobo ene Swami Mosquito afiri se ompekase bia ye ana ne voice nsuso no emu odu etu omunim se wo se wo mo cha man no pa tie ne edu ba bia na mo man fancy a ene Swami Mosquito no oje so saa na dan de team koye ne debro so mo keka nsem a na eni kwaso onipa kan fie keka ya kokan se adwuma ya esam nyuku timi ye pa ne se wo de ne ba pretumi wo wi adwuma bi wo kire bi wo mse da bi wo se na fei se nipa wo de so sesi akum wotwe na wo de nya power na se mo so kum mienu a na ye den edisa onyonko pipini so obedwitwa wanam ama 2024 power no abomnase de a ene fa babo ntim kuno wo kai obi oho bi abobnim enam so ma semi atimi atretres ha ama police force so nimu mo kire no ene ko hye asokwa na asokwa ho no no circuit court ye wo ho no na je ordinasem enei wa page na mudifo mienu e de ata na chi ama sika bia ne tiriso ene se obetua 50,000 Ghana cedis ana se wa nyando ya na je se ne nasem na pro anesa sesi aye kase de watimanya bill ai na obetima dan kete so na sunu nyina mu no na ye dancefo a obama ne mayen kwasi opon ejina eho no mo a de ekoso nyina na otetemu e de akire yen na yensanya nkanu de yenkohwe video no ana se yentie ne no a lawyer mankwa ya wono e na otwitwa e de agene no otimi eka ye yegusu ahwe se yensa betumi aka kwasi opon a obo amane de mayen wo ma ye de yentie ne no ansa.
Thankfully and graciously, the judge has granted our brother Kwampa Razak bail today, and we are thankful to the judiciary and the judge for granting our brother bail and understanding the position that we are coming from. The condition is also okay that we are executing the bail at the premises or the registry of the court. So our brother Kwampa Razak has been granted bail. We are to come to court, back to court on the 9th of March. The court has ordered that the prosecution serve us with their disclosures so that we can start the trial. The condition was 2 sureties. 50,000 Ghana cedis with 2 sureties. Our bail application that we made the last time that the accused person surrendered himself to the police, so he has shown good faith. And again, he has been a youth organizer for over 12 years. And within these 12 years, there's no criminal record of him anywhere, and the police can attest to that fact. He has been a politician for that while. He has not made any pronouncement which is conducive to the breach of this nation. And for that matter, the court should take all into consideration and grant him bail. And the court understood our argument and granted him bail.
The attorney said, "Kwa ba faso ya wodo onsa ba hyen krata ase ne nsem a wapene so se nipa no so waje hwan hotiri no fi wo mu nsem a ehun tansa na be san wo mo fam pepepe awie na nipa ya wogina mu nsem na nimfo eye lawyer Evans Amankwa yenkwa amane so na fe ne enu akwasi opon entwetwe nkomo ayapon jeche kuma adwo ayapon madwo ejo so ro wona na pia wakonkopa